are going to love the 2020
Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capabilities. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.